Today we'll be learning about how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. So if you are one of those who are working on computer almost entire time of the day, then your eyes might get strained because of the glare that is coming from this computer screen. So there are various ways to prevent your eyes from the glare coming from the screen. One of them is to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. So to do that, you need to click on the file which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on account. On the office theme, you can see currently it has been set to colorful. So thus you need to click on this arrow, and on this drop down box there are various options. So simply you need to click on black. Background color has already been changed to dark mode. Let's go back from here and you can see that the dark mode has already been enabled in Microsoft Word. If you want to get back to normal colors as before, then you can follow the same process, going to file, accounts and arrow and the colorful one. So this way you can easily enable the dark mode in Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.